To protect your mining operation, you must change how you think. John McAfee said the same thing in his own direct way. He gave one hard rule for anyone serious about digital assets. He said, "If you do not have hackers on your team, then you are lost." This statement sounds like a contradiction. It feels wrong to invite the very people you fear into your trusted circle. But this single piece of advice, if understood correctly, can save your coins, your investment, and all your hard work. It is a lesson forged in the chaotic fires of the early internet, where survival meant knowing your enemy intimately. Think of a bank that needs to build a new, impenetrable vault. The managers want it to be the strongest vault ever made. Who should they hire to design it? A team of architects who follow standard building codes, or the most successful safecracker in the world? The logical choice is the safecracker, because a safecracker does not think about building walls, he thinks about breaking them. He knows every hidden weakness, every shortcut, and every trick a thief might use. He can anticipate methods of attack because he has used them himself. Hiring him ensures the vault stops real thieves, not just theoretical ones. This exact logic applies to cryptocurrency and digital security. Your crypto wallet, your mining rigs network, and your exchange account are all digital vaults. They hold real value that real thieves want. Rely only on standard software and best practices. You are following the rulebook. Attackers do not follow rules. They constantly look for the one small flaw, the one overlooked detail, the one human mistake that lets them in. To secure your assets, get the safecracker mindset on your side. This is McAfee's core lesson, a paradox that unlocks real security. You cannot build a strong defense by only thinking defensively. You must embrace the offensive mindset. See your systems through the eyes of someone who wants to tear them down. Bring people with that rare skill set onto your team. Their job is not just to build walls, but to relentlessly try to knock them down. They reveal real weaknesses before a malicious actor exploits them. It is a proactive, aggressive form of defense. So, what exactly is a hacker? The hooded trope is a myth. A true hacker is a relentless problem solver with insatiable curiosity. They live and breathe technology. They see not only intended uses, but unintended possibilities. They poke and prod everything. Code, networks, hardware. You cannot create a hacker in a classroom. It is built by thousands of hours of breaking and learning. You cannot earn a diploma in hacking. It is honed through practice, trial, error, and learning from mistakes. Traditional training struggles to replicate the hacker mindset. Courses teach firewalls and strong passwords. Hackers ask, what if a rule is misconfigured? What if I can trick an employee to give a password? They do not follow a checklist. They subvert it. In a controlled environment, thinking like an attacker is their job. They are the designated adversary, testing the walls by laying siege. There are malicious hackers, black hats, who break in for profit or to cause damage. And there are ethical hackers, white hats, who find vulnerabilities and help fix them. These are the digital safecrackers you want inside the bank. Their understanding comes from exploration, and yes, from breaking things. For years, products focused on known threats. Antivirus uses huge lists of known malware. It is a necessary layer, like a guard with wanted posters. But the most dangerous attacks are the new ones. Next, tools that watch for hacker behavior. Not just tools. More detective than doorman. They learn what is normal on your network, like employees logging in 9 to 5 from the office. A 3 a.m. login from abroad triggers alarms, likely stolen credentials. They correlate speed, timing, and sequence of actions. Normal, a few files an hour. Hacker, thousands in minutes. Normal, test code on one server. Hacker, move laterally to crown jewels. These tools recognize malicious patterns, even unseen software. They attempt to codify the hacker mind. They map how attackers got in and what they tried to do. You stop attacks sooner and learn faster. Each incident refines your defenses for next time. Securing a wallet or a small mining rig matters, but zoom out to larger risks. Protect your setup, And imagine the whole grid going dark. The same vulnerabilities threaten entire nations. The power grid, water treatment plants, banking systems, all software controlled, all network connected. A sophisticated attacker can cause unimaginable harm. Outages cripple hospitals, shut down markets, and trigger civil unrest. Tampering with water risks public health. This is real now. McAfee warned the stakes are dangerously high. Your devices are part of the global ecosystem. A single weak link can fuel botnets and bigger assaults. Personal hygiene is civic duty. Nations must treat cyber like defense. For beginners, this can feel overwhelming. Security is not impossible. It starts with simple habits. Here is the practical advice. First, learn before you invest $1. Understand private keys. Never share them. Know hot, online, and cold, offline wallets. Second, find someone experienced. Ask questions in reputable communities. Beware unsolicited advice and guaranteed profits. Third, be careful with tools. Follow instructions. Write seed phrases on paper, store in multiple safe places. Never keep seeds as digital files. Use hardware wallets for significant amounts. Avoid single points of failure. Consider multi-sig. Use a password manager and enable 2FA everywhere. These small steps stop most opportunists. Your mind is the most powerful tool. With every setup, ask, how could this break? Practice with test funds. Learn from safe mistakes. That is McAfee's masterclass. Embrace the attacker's mindset. If this helped, tap like now. Support the mission. Subscribe and ring the bell for smarter, safer crypto.